Greetings, guys. Greetings to you all. A lovely weekend it is. Maybe one of the best weekends ever. All right, guys, it's that time again of the week. I don't just start a week, I prepare myself and my team before a week start. That's how it is. Every Sunday, I'm always like this. All right, guys. First of all, just to recap on the last week. Yeah, actually, for me, the week started a bit slower. Yeah, we didn't actually have a lot of opportunities during the start of the week. I'm talking about myself and my team. But yeah, it was during the CPI news on Thursday that we managed to capitalize a lot for the week. So, yeah, guys, I really hope that not only myself and my team, I really, really hope that you guys as well, you actually manage to capitalize in a lot of opportunities because other than the CPI news, there were a lot of opportunities even during the start of the week. Though for my team, yes, we didn't catch much during the start of the week, but later on when I checked, I saw that we did have a lot of opportunities. But overall, I can say that it was one of the best weeks ever. So, before I start, guys, just to remind you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then also turn the notification bells so that at least every time when I release something new, you quickly get it. Okay. And then the other thing, guys, don't forget to also follow us in our free Telegram channel. Saying that, I'm saying it because normally there are a lot of trade ideas that I do share during the course of the week, which unfortunately I no longer post in the YouTube. So for you to be able to get them, just join our Telegram group. You'll get access to all of those trade ideas. All right, guys. I think I think I'm about to start now. And as usual, as you know, I don't take too much time. I prefer to keep things simple, straight to the point, and then make sure that you guys actually understand. Okay, so what is it that we're gonna be looking at today? It's not much. It's not much. I don't want to confuse you. Remember, guys, as I told you, as I also tell you every time, that you don't need to trade everything in this world. Okay, you need few to trade. You really, really need few. That way, it also improves your focus. And then yeah, you don't actually miss a lot of opportunities because if you are all over, you might end up not having even one opportunity. Whereas if you are just focusing only in one pair, you can find a lot of opportunities in the course of the week. All right, guys. Otherwise, as I was saying, I'm going to be looking at DXY, obvious, Euro USD, USD CAD. Then I will also go to gold and then USDT. That's it. That's all that I'll be looking at. And then, yeah, otherwise, don't forget to follow us as well in the Telegram group. Yeah, so that you can get access to other trade ideas during the course of the week. All right, guys, let's start DXY. DXY. Let's start. All right, guys. Yeah, this week we had a very, very strong bearish momentum in the DXY. As you can see, if maybe I can go to the weekly time frame, you can see the momentum is extremely, extremely strong. Okay, so with this kind of momentum, um, it's a bit how can I say it? It's a bit easier for one to actually anticipate that the market will likely still be dropping in the US, I mean, in the DXY because of that kind of momentum. And again, looking again also with the kind of momentum in the daily time frame, it's pretty much clear that we still have a lot of momentum to go down. So saying that, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to try to trade against this strong momentum. No. This is what I will wait for. I will wait for market to open. And yeah, before I even start saying this, to remind you again, guys, yeah, I do have a lot of reminders that I always make. Yeah, it's because most of the things I repeat them every single time, and they They're always like that. They're always like that. So this time around, to remind you again, guys, market will either go up or go down. Okay. So what we need is to make sure that we are with it when it's going in either up or down. So in this case, what I'm gonna be looking for, currently the market is sitting at the key level, so I will wait for it to break it, come and retest, then sell. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna be looking for. If by any chance it doesn't give me this and then it starts going up, I will wait for it to reach here, which is the key level. It's a support which has been broken. Now will likely be a resistance. So if it goes up, I will wait for it to reach somewhere here. Then I sell. Then take it down up to this level, which is another key level. That's what I will be doing. All right. I'm done, by the way, with that DXY. I'm going to the next one. The Euro USD. Euro USD as well. It's currently sitting at a key level. Okay. So what I will wait for is for it to go up. Okay. Go up, break this key level that it's sitting at right now. Break it, come and retest it. Then I buy and then take my profit somewhere up here. But if it by any chance, when it opens here, it starts by showing signs of dropping, I will wait for it to reach my key level, which in this case is this level here. Why? Because this level, as you can see, it acted as a resistance before. And then this time around, we broke it. So we are likely going to come back and retest it, then buy, go up. That's it. Then there's also a third scenario whereby if the market breaks but never come and retest, just breaks and then go up. If it does that, I will wait for it to reach here. And then when it reaches here, because it will be extremely overstretched, then I will actually look for a potential counter trade to drop. Okay, but otherwise, the ones which are more likely that those two that I mentioned. Okay, we are done again with the Euro USD. We are going to the next one. Uh, USDCAD. USDCAD again as well. This one, if you can check, it's also sitting at a key level. Also, I will wait for it to break the key level, come retest it, then I sell. But if it doesn't do that, if it starts by buying, I will wait for it to reach this support which is broken and now will be a resistance, and then sell from up here and take it down here. And then that third scenario is if maybe it just start by dropping without coming to retest, and then it drops and then it reaches here, which if it does that, then that's when I will start thinking about a potential counter trade of buying. Okay, we are done with the pairs. Now we are going to, okay, let me start with an index, which is US 30. Okay, let's see. All right, US 30, as you can see, this one actually right here, it broke, it came back, retest, and then break again, retest again. So it's going up. And this, it even broke this key level here, as you can see. So what I'm looking for this one, it's for, since it's currently sitting at the daily key level right now, so I want to check and see if it will manage to break this key level, which if it does break it and then come and retest, then I'm gonna buy and then take it up here. However, if by any chance it fails to break and give me a potential sell right here, I'm actually not really gonna take that one, though it can be a good counter trade. But with the current momentum which I'm seeing, yeah, I'm gonna relax and then allow it to come back and then retest some more, possibly somewhere here, if not at the bottom here, then buy. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. And then the third scenario will be if the market opens and then just shoot up without any retracement. of which if it does that, then up here, that's the only location I can think of potential selling, okay, for this US30. All right, let's go to the last one for the day. It's gold. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. If you check with the gold now, it already broke above this key level. So what I will look for is just a simple retest. Then I buy. I take it up there. That's all. That's all I'll be looking for. Yes, this also. If maybe I can do this. There's also a potential for it maybe uh, to show some signs of counter trade, and then it drops possibly to this level, which can act as a support. It was before a resistant, so it can also do that. Come to this level, then buy from bottom here. Okay, but the counter trade for gold, I'm not gonna consider it when it's here. I will consider the counter trade for gold when it reaches at least this high point. That's when I will consider a potential sell. Otherwise, before it reaches here, my mind will only be thinking about buying. Okay, so it means again, if maybe it just starts by shooting without without this retracement I'm talking about, it just starts by shooting. I will leave it, allow it to reach here. Then, if it's here, that's when I can think about potential counter trade sales. Okay, guys, you're not gonna believe it. I am done. And according to me, this was very quick, but very informative, very simple, and straight to the point. What you need is just to make sure that you don't rush. Be patient. Okay. If you are waiting, if you want market to reach a certain level, wait until it reaches there. Then decide when the market reaches there. What is it that you have to do during that time? Okay. Don't lose your account by forcing the market. Okay. You busy forcing the market before it even reaches a certain key level. Okay. So do not do that, because the moment the market reaches those key level, you find out that maybe now you don't even have money anymore. All right. So you don't want those situations. You want to make sure that you are patient enough. Okay. You are patient enough. Let the market reach the key levels and then decide from there. Guys, from me, this is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then turn the notification bells as well. Do not also forget to follow us in the Telegram group, so that at least during the week when I give you some of the trade ideas, you can easily access them or get them. Guys, yeah, this is it from me. Let us all have a lovely week ahead of us. Cheers, guys.